how to withdraw on Binance Exchange through external wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw on Binance Exchange on external wallet. So in that case, you have to go and log in into your Binance account. So open it up and enter the credential. As you're done logging into your account, what you have to do is make sure that your account is verified at the same time. You could go to the trade button or you could go to the wallet, and from here you could go ahead and select withdraw. When you select withdraw, then you need to go ahead and select the asset that you're withdrawing. So go to wallet, and from the wallet section go to withdraw, and next you need to go ahead and select the asset that you wish to withdraw. So I'm going to go with the ACA, or you could just go ahead and select either one of it and make sure to mark on the terms and condition and tap the next button. As you've done that, now you need to go ahead and paste in the wallet address where you are actually withdrawing, or the external wallet address location, and then type in the exact amount and confirm it. By reviewing all of the information, then you'll have successfully withdraw on Binance Exchange. So that is how you can withdraw on Binance Exchange to an external wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.